Hello friends, today I am going to discuss 5 powerful tips, body language tips to face the interview. Nowadays in the present scenario, what knowledge you have acquired in the organization or college and what industry required. Knowledge acquired in college and knowledge required in industry, there is a lot of huge gap. That gap, one of that gap is body language. In colleges nobody will train you this body language, you have to be like this, you have to look like this, you have to walk like this. Nobody will train you, you have to learn by yourself. And this is what one of the important aspect which industries are expecting. So few body language tips, if you know, you can handle the interview properly. The first thing, five top tips I'm going to share. First thing is that pleasing face, a pleasing personality. So how to keep pleasing face? First of all, when you go to any interview, the interviewer will see first your face. Is it pleasing or not? Sometimes people will be like this, very scary, dull, down, agitation in the mind that reflects in the face. Automatically, they'll reject this kind of faces. So, how to keep the face? Simple thing is that keep a smiling face, no tension. Tension should be inside, but outside it should not be expressed. Never express any kind of tension. Pleasing, cool face you keep, because if you are selected, tomorrow onwards the interviewer has to see your face 70% of their day. In maximum time in our life we are spending in the working hours, working office, and 30% or 20% we are spending at home. That is why all the recruiters, management, interviewers will see a pleasing face, smiling face. This you have to practice, first thing. And the second thing is that sit straight, always sit straight. And a confident person will never bend their shoulders, shrugging shoulders or something. Always they sit straight, it shows the confidence. So that is why always sit straight. And if you have chair, hands to the chair, put your hands like this, or otherwise no hands to the chair, then keep your hands in the lap like this. So this is the way to keep your hands. And never keep your belongings on the table, because the table is not yours. Once if you are selected, that will be yours, but right now it is the interviewer table. Don't keep your belongings, don't keep your hands on the table. So keep it with you, belongings in the lap, or otherwise just beside. Certificates or any other things you can keep it beside or in the lap. So sit straight always, and plant your feet on the ground. While sitting, your feet should plant the ground, it has to touch the ground. Comfortably you have to sit. Your sitting posture will mention a lot about your personality. So that is why always sit straight. And third point is that stand straight. When you stand also, you always try to stand straight. So it also mentions about a personality, a confident personality. So one of the characteristics, that is why always stand straight. Never lean on one leg or two legs and unable to stand or something like this. Never do that. So always stand straight. And next point is that walk straight. Simply the walking style will mention about a personality's nature. The character of personality also we can just trace out with the walking style. So always try to walk straight. This we call it as a gait, G-A-I-T. Gait means the walking style. And your walking steps should be always energetic and enthusiastic. In that way you have to walk. Practice it, it will come easily, comfortably. And last one is that look straight. Look at the person straight. This we call it as eye contact also. So how to look at the person? Don't stare at the eyes of the interviewer. No direct looks. So please remember that whenever you look at the interviewer, have some focus on the face. Every 2 to 3 seconds change your eye contact, either on the eyes, nose, cheeks, forehead, hair, any part of the face. You can just keep on focusing every 2 to 3 seconds on one side only. Never look continuously. This looks very awkward and uncomfortable for the interviewer. So that is why you have to maintain eye contact or looking straight like this. So simple 5 tips I have mentioned. So let's have a recap. The first one is that pleasing face with a smiling face. Second one is sit straight. stand straight, walk straight and look straight. 4 straights plus pleasing personality, simple, easy to remember. And before entering into any interview, everyone will have a kind of fear. 90 to 90% people are having the fear. To control the fear, take a long breath 2 to 3 times, and no one knows that you are taking long breath also, and keep a smiling face. It will remove your fear. Fear will be inside, but outside you look very pleasing and cool. So smile and breathe, long breathe. This remember. And you know that when you enter into any interview without your permission, your body language will be reflecting a lot. Like you're confident, overconfident, low confident, or feeling insecure, or whatever is going inside of your mind, that will reflect with your body language. So that is why you have to control. How to control? Simply one principle, follow it, that is fake it till you make it. It means practice it till that period, until you get a right posture, right gesture. So till that period practice it. This we call it as a fake it or till make it. So this is using by most of the great actors, actress, film industry, and even politicians also using it. So why don't you? Because we have to get success. We have knowledge. Most of the students are having a excellent knowledge, exemplary skills in their technical subjects. Body language, communication skills, simple. This if you have, you are master in your field. Please go ahead, practice this fake it till you make it. Stand in front of mirror and practice it, and look at yourself, give suggestions, record yourself, or give your phone to someone and let them to record and see how is your body language. Automatically you will give suggestions to yourself only. Out of suggestions it's possible. Sincere and great suggestions you will find. Please go ahead. Hope the talk is useful. Note down the important points, make it useful and implement it in every interview and get the success in your career. There are many more playlists in the description box, like job skills, English grammar, soft skills, communication skills, health talks, lot more links are there. Please use it and enhance your career. Keep smiling, keep shining always. Good luck.